Hi there, this is Sam from EasyTradingSignal.com, and we're going to take another look at Bitcoin. We looked at Bitcoin about 3 days ago, and I did an analysis on it, and if you haven't seen that, let me just quickly jump back. So this is the chart, and the little scribbles that I made here to write out basically what I think was going to happen. And I basically said that I would expect Bitcoin to hover around about 4,000, the 4,000 level versus the US dollar, and it can potentially hop around there. But if it breaks through that, I'm expecting it to find resistance at 3,600 and 3,800. My apologies. And if that breaks, then the next level is 3,600. So let's see what happened, right? Okay, so this is what happened in the meantime. It broke through the 4,000 level. It broke through the 3,800 level after bouncing around a bit, and currently it is testing this 3,600 level. It broke through, but we'll have to see if it's just like spike through and it's going to recover back. If not, we're obviously looking at a more long-term effect. If and obviously here it's responding to this level there, and if it breaks through that, then we're just carrying down 3,200. If that breaks, I would expect a major resistance line or support, sorry, around about here at roughly 2,900, I think 50 or 60 or something like that. All right, so that's what we're looking at. The reason for what happened here is that the Bank of China China decided to close down the major Bitcoin exchanges, including BTC. So obviously there are a lot of people in that market, and they need their money back. So the way that they do that is to sell their Bitcoin in order to get their regular money back again, and that causes the market to drop. So lots and lots and lots of selling out of China, and that's what is happening. So what that means is in effect there's nothing wrong with Bitcoin itself, right? This is purely a reaction from a government trying to regulate the Bitcoin exchanges. So will this continue? Well, no, I don't think it will just continue dropping. Obviously this has hurt the market because there are now a lot less people, the whole of China, participating in trading Bitcoin daily. What does it mean for long term? Well, it means either one or two things. Either this is a good opportunity if you haven't gotten into Bitcoin before, to invest now, because prices are pretty low compared to where they were. And on the other hand, it means that if you don't have money that you can put at risk to trade, then simply don't get into the market. It's too volatile right now to know exactly what's going to happen. But you know, it wasn't completely unexpected. You know, you can see this type of thing starting to happen, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be a long-term thing. So on the one hand, opportunity, if you have the funds and if you can risk some capital, and on the other hand, yes, a lot of volatility potentially lying ahead until we start seeing it bounce back and head back up again. On the long term, I still see absolutely uptrend for Bitcoin. A reason for that is basically fundamental. And yes, I'm a chartist guy, but you have to take a look at fundamentals in cases like this because it makes big moves. Now, it doesn't mean that the charts still don't rule in terms of how those moves play out, and that you can absolutely see here as well. But yeah, we'll have to see exactly how this goes. So it should be very interesting the next few days. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted on any progress or any new analysis that I have. But in the meantime, trade easy. Remember to subscribe, and see you next time.